Oh, I'm good, mate, yeah.
I thought you were turning into a driveway before you go off the side there.
Oh, I was hoping.
Did you, buddy?
Yeah.
No worries. If you want a hand, I'll give you a hand to get it out.
Yeah, it should be okay, I think.
Disappointed with himself.
Yeah, I saw you come, and then I lost my
No, I was coming up here, and
yeah.
I saw you go up the side. I thought you were turning into a driveway. I pulled up the side. Disappointed with himself.
You'll be alright to get past it. Thanks, mate.
Anyway, take it easy, yeah?
Cheers, thank you.
You haven't done fucking too much.
No, it looks alright.
Are you tired?
Hey? No, I just come in too hot.
Take it easy, alright?
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
I think I saw you in my mirror.
Yeah,
And then as the truck was coming towards me, I just saw what I thought was you going off the road, and I couldn't turn around just at that spot.
I thought that I could see the corner coming up.
Yeah.
And I'm on the brakes, I'm like, nope. And I just straightened it up and I thought, it'll stop. But for some reason I grabbed a handful of its throttle and it just kept rolling. And then it just rolled up the, nah, it'll start.
Yeah. Alright, so you're alright?
Yeah, I'm just
Yeah, you might be tired too.
I'm lucky that it come, oh, I just scraped it. I'm lucky that I come down in the dirt
Yeah.
and not on the road, but that's scraped.
You're actually you're lucky on a good day today.
Yeah.
Because normally, with the ruts, this left and right tyre track,
Yeah.
normally, because so much gravel gets on the road, you get actually a bit of gravel, so you've got to cut in between that as well as brake.
I just saw you go through some gravel and it's like, oh.
Oh, okay.
And it's like,
did you bend it?
no.
Okay.
No, it just sort of laid down.
You just got it under control as you dropped it.
And it just started to go up the side of the hill.
Yeah.
And just stopped.
Mate, I feel sad bringing you out here.
No, it's not your fault, man.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, I do.
No. I hope I got it on camera.
Well, you've now done this. This is the second best road.
Yeah.
I think in Australia.
Yeah. That is that's disappointing.
But do you like it? That's right.
I do, yeah.
And this was where all the bushfire was.
Yep.
This was all fucking black.
Yep.
You could, when you were around the corner, you could look all the way through there and see that there's no fucking trees.
I feel like a dickhead.
No, mate. So we all got to do it someday.
Yeah.
It's a good thing it was a low speed.
Yeah, wasn't it?
It looks like it doesn't look too bad.
No, it's just some scrapes down the bottom here.
Yeah, that's where you hit the bank.
Yeah, just where the rocks.
There's nothing on this side.
If it hadn't have been for the rocks, I would have just dusted it off.
Yeah.
I think we need to move off this corner.
Well, there's around the next two bends. There's a pull out on the right if you want to go there.
Yeah, mate.
I'll just go up, spin round somehow. Have I lost something?
I think I lost my cord.
The cord's inside the helmet. I don't know. There's no battery.
No, it's...
Yeah. The cord's inside the helmet.
Yeah, can we just stop up here and...
Yeah, you go up ahead and just pull over. And there's actually a horseshoe bend coming up that is a big open, you can actually see out.
Yeah.
I don't know how far away that is.
Yeah, that's all right. I'll just cruise.
I don't know, U-turn just on, I think, two bends up.
Yeah, I know I'm not hurt or anything like that, but
you sure there's
the adrenaline's going.
Yeah. But Careful, there's no collarbone.
No, it's like the bike just went like that and I just...
Oh, okay. Alright, as long as there's enough puncture.
Just get a...
It was a G6000 K1 or something.
Yeah.
We had to, it went down about, I don't know, 100 metres. We had to pull it up.
Yeah.
8 of us.
Damn.
But it was almost a vertical incline. With
Stuff
a
like
tow rope, one of the four-wheel drive.
Off the front wheel.
Yeah, off the front wheel. Fuck,
Yeah.
fuck, there's all...
Oh yeah, it's mongrel when you've got to drag the wheels. Alright, I'll go up here.
Wasn't sure I saw what I saw.
Yeah, no, you saw what you saw. Yeah, it's just dusty.
Dust, yeah.
It's just the front bit. I'm fucking shattered.
Did you lose the front or just outbrake?
I just come in too hot, and it's just like I could see I was going to lay it down, and then it's like I just stood it up a bit to try and run it on, and then as soon as I hit the gutter, because I jolted and I was half off the bike, it pulled the throttle on.
How old is this time?
About 2,000-3,000.
Close to being bald.
Yes.
You've done well today though.
Too much acceleration.
It's hearing it.
Yeah.
Really good.
Oh, I feel like a total dickhead.
Mate, as long as the bike's not, the seat's still there,
Yeah.
it looks uplifted, that's all.
Yeah, it just sort of rested against the bank.
Yeah.
I was basically stopped,
Yeah, okay.
and then it just goes up the side.
Well, I was looking at the truck coming towards you,
Yeah.
and then I looked back in my mirror and I went, did I just see what I saw?
I should have been cutting the corner like you were, instead of trying to stay in my lane.